Hi, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to learn how to update data in a table. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to insert data, and in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete data. This video is part of a series of videos where we're going to look at the basics of how to write SQL. You can find all of the videos on my website, www.padsresearch.co.uk, that's physics, aviation and data science, or you can subscribe to this channel and you can find a full playlist in my subscription. So let's have a look at how we update a table. So the first thing that we should do before we update the table is to do sort of a simulation run before we go to update the data, because if we make a mistake, then it can be quite difficult to undo it. So what we do first is to write an equivalent select statement. So here we have a select statement saying we'd like to select some data from a patient table, and we'd like to bring back only the records where the primary key is equal to 2. So if we were to run this query first, then we could confirm that this clause, this where clause, does in fact bring back the records that we're interested in updating. So once we're confirmed that our selection is the correct set of records, then we can think about writing the update statement. So to update a record or a series of records, then we need to use the update command. So let's write the word update to indicate that we would like to update a table. And then the next thing we need to do is to specify which table we want to update. So in this case, we're going to update our patient table. Let's copy that and paste that. So this says we want to update our patient table. So now we need to specify, well, what do we want to update? Well, we can set various different columns to different values. So we'll use our keyword set. So let's say set. And in this case, we're going to set the age equal to 75 years old. And we can update more than one column. And we're also going to update a foreign key. So let's say FK underscore COVID underscore variant. And we're going to set that to the value 200. So what this would do is it would update every single record in the patient table to have an age of 75 and a COVID variant value of 200. But we don't want to do that, and that's why we have done a test run with this select statement. What we actually want to do is only update that where we have primary key of equal to 2. So if I copy and paste that value in there, then because I previously ran this select statement, I know that I'm getting back the correct record that I want to update. And then I apply the same filter to my update statement, so I can confirm and be reasonably confident that I'm going to update the correct record. So I could then run this statement, which will update this patient table. It will set the age equal to 75 and a foreign key variant equal to 200. And it will only do that where it finds the particular primary key ID equal to 2. And that's the basic structure of how you write an update statement. If you'd be interested in learning a little bit more about things such as primary keys and foreign keys, or looking at some more advanced topics, then I also have a complete course in SQL with SQL Server, and you'll find a link to that at the end of this video, where I go in more depth in topics such as this and go into more advanced topics. In the next video, we're going to look at how to delete data.